I'm going to show you how to remove the wheels from your Caboose Ultralight, or even your Caboose or your Scooter X2 if you prefer. You're going to need a couple tools, a kind of a very thin flathead screwdriver, and then a second one, because these hubcaps have spokes in them, so when one side comes up, you'll need to hold it while you pry another side. So just kind of find an area to put the flathead screwdriver, just like that. Try not to scratch the top part of it, and just pry it upward. Notice if you zoom in, you can see how that comes up right there. Now that you've got that piece up, you just kind of hold it with that end, and then put another piece. There you go. And it seems as if that side's popped up. Let's see. There we go. You should be able to pull it up completely now. And that's how you remove that. Do the same thing to the other wheel. Put a flathead screwdriver in there to pull it up. Make sure you hold that end. There you go. And then you just remove the cotter pin and the rest of the hardware, and it comes right off.